want to create a multicam sequence but you're frustrated and don't know how to do it. So come here with me and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's so simple. When I figured it out, it blew my mind. So let's begin. You import footage, 3 files, so you import it in, so you have those 3 files there, nothing bad. So select 3 files, you click this, create multimedia camera source sequence, you put the name up here, MC, MCV, MC4, doesn't matter. All the things take the same, put it like me, it should work just fine. Click OK, then you wait a couple of seconds, maybe more, depends on your speed of your computer. For me it's kind of shit, so I just have to deal with it. Okay, so now we click open in timeline, so that we see all these files, if they're okay, if they're not okay. We can close the files so that we see the files are not corrupted or anything. I saw that this one was gonna be small, so go to effects and scale it up and it fits correctly. Okay, cool. And then you go back and then you go up here to new sequence from clip, and then you go to the plus sign, this icon, you drag it down here and you click this, and the window should slowly appear, and this should be like a multicam. For me it just works one camera for some reason. Because it's enabled, yeah, of course. Yeah, okay, that's it. And you just click when it plays, you click it, and then spread, and you click it left and right, and up and down. For me it lags like a bit, so but anyway, that's about it. Simple as that. Have a great one. Biggie signing out.